Hi friends, it's your boy Joey. You know how it goes. It's me. Need to deal with this. But, update video for you for the camper. This isn't so much camper related, but we have a light here. It is going to get moved down further. And I'm going to see about getting another one down here somewhere. But, updates. We got running water again. Plan is to run PEX underground over here somewhere. The blue one is Cat 6 Ethernet. So we're going to run this underground also, somewhere over here. This is 220 volts. I have to fix the wires, and then I want to run it around to the side here and have 50 amp. Oh look, here comes Mike. Cats love the door. Anyways, 50 amp, 220 volt service to the camper. And all 220 in the garage for welder or, a nice big air compressor. But those are things for the future. We have things just working right now. This is my scrap pile of stuff I want to sell or give away. The toilet, I don't know if it works. It's not the style I want for the camper, so it can go. My big grill here that Justin helped me get off the side of the road. Works, needs a little bit of work though. Missing a few things. But the plan is, you can kind of see where I'm always walking. I want to build a nice walkway. We want to turn the camper this way so it's along the fence. I will need to move both Jeeps probably, but my plan is, because this bush is basically dead, there's a tree on that, is get rid of those. Get rid of these 3 pipes here, probably that tree there, move them down, and maybe get an easy up thing and build a little garage back there in the corner. We'll see. But anyways, have that, and build this more into a permanent home here. After my last trip, I was like, you know what? The way I trip a truck bed camper would be much better for me. More of a YOLO, just go and not plan. And having a big camper like this, it's harder to find places to go. And I like to be able to just park somewhere and have somewhere to sleep, make some food, things like that. But anyways, updates on this. So we started cleaning here. As you can tell, the mini fridge is out. The tub is out. I do have a lot more to clean up, but I think I'm gonna have to put most of the stuff in the trailer and take it to the dump. Want to build some sort of concrete pad here, because if you look, we did move this in winter. She's sunk in quite a bit. We got the cat door, like we all know. We have this. I need to get one of those things around it so rain doesn't just drip all over it. Going in, Mike? What you doing? No? Okay. Anyways, bedroom is basically the same. Oh, I did get these things. So that's up. We have the LEDs up. Put those up so I'm not tripping over them. And it goes around there and boom, boom. We have the triple monitor setup on my PC from 2012. The cats step on the table. They like to sit at the window back here, so I got to figure something out so it doesn't get so gross all the time. We have switched to this old chair of mine. Most of the tools are going to end up going back in the garage now. I don't need them. And, basically... Oh, we got some lamps. I have smart light bulbs in all of them. Coffee maker. I did have the donuts up here, but when it gets warm, they get all melty and gross. But I have two shelves now. This shelf here, this shelf here, and we got this set up. I don't remember if that was set up last time. This is still, of course, here. I don't like it, but it works for now. It was free, and this camper is all about being cheap as possible. We're about to get this hooked up today. It's the water heater. I'm hoping it's still good. I did have some freezing issues over winter, which is why I have this water filter. It's not what I want in here, but it's better than nothing. And look, Mike's in all by himself. We do have to figure out what to do at this corner. I want to build some sort of bathroom, but it's expensive. I'm thinking a wet bath. And with that being said, I did hack this sink in half, and I'm thinking put the other one in here for a wet bath, and I'll have a sink, have a nice faucet, you know. But the big thing is we got a full-size fridge in here now. The water ice maker isn't hooked up. As far as I know, it doesn't work, but it's big. It works really well, and I'm really happy about it. So current plans are to just live in here. It's pretty good. I'm pretty comfortable with things. I do want to get the sink up. You can see where that is, about that high. I'd be a lot happier, be a lot more comfortable. There'd be a lot less bending down into the sink, because I do have my head on this. I do still want to replace this. I want to replace this with a, what is it? Farm style, the bigger, deeper. The one I'm looking at has things you can put on it, make it super useful for the camper. I do want to build real cabinets here. The heater's back here. I want to build something better for that, get it installed better, but it's been working flawlessly. We do have the electric toaster oven. Have the oil burner, so when I go to work or it's kind of cold, I don't have to waste fuel, because that's pretty okay. This is just to warm it up enough so I don't have to have a hoodie on. Let's see, water heater soon. Yeah, we are actually pretty darn happy with this right now. Oh, I'm gonna pull this out too. And we are not going to do any more insulation as of right now. Just costs too much. And we're gonna put a window AC unit in one of the bedroom windows. We're gonna pop the whole window out, put it in there, seal around it. That way, on the really hot days or humid days, especially the bedroom, because it's up higher, it gets crazy hot up there. And I'll just be a little more comfortable in here this year. And this, we gotta deal with the electrical still. That's another thing. Now that I'm looking at that, still gotta deal with that. Probably gonna move it all back down here. I wanna start investing in Victron electrical stuff. I wanna get a generator, and the Victron has an option that it will kick on the generator when power goes out. I also wanna get solar. I want to get more batteries. This is going to turn into a nice big battery compartment here. Yeah, go. Still prefers the door, which I get. But anyways, you know, things are working pretty good in here. Pretty darn happy. And with that, I'm going to say peace out. Oh, I'm going to stick in the time lapse of trying to get the fridge in here. I don't have both videos, and I was gonna talk over it, but I decided against that. But we had to pull this whole window out. Had to drop the couch into bed mode. That was quite a bit of work. My friend Steven helped with that one. Thanks, Steven. And yeah. Anyways, peace out. Don't party too hard. See you again next time.